Hey there guys and gals, welcome back to Back Pocket Game Reviews. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the hotel and where we're staying at and give you a sneak peek of that is Cedar Point directly behind us. So this is the amusement park which was voted #1 overall amusement park in America for this year. So this hotel, which is the Hotel Breakers, which is on Cedar Point's property here on Lake Erie's beach, actually was built in the early 1900s, like 1903 to 1905, somewhere in that time period. I don't remember the exact year because numbers aren't really my thing. However, I do know a quick cool fact that Helen Keller stayed here actually in the early to mid 1900s. I don't know why that's cool to me, but I just like history, so it is what it is. Sorry, power tower is about to go off in the background. Also, this is the hotel that me and my wife honeymooned at. So for our honeymoon, this is where me and my wife stayed. So I'm gonna give you a quick tour of this hotel and what is so cool about it and why I am so excited to be on vacation, because I haven't had a vacation since 2014, like an actual vacation where we left the state. So before I started YouTube was the last time I had a vacation. So let's get started. Here we are. You got bellhops and stuff like that going on here, which obviously you're at a hotel, so it makes sense to have bellhops. But this is the entrance to the Hotel Breakers. Keep in mind, they renovated this since me and my wife were here, which, as I said, we were here in 2014. When they renovated it, they changed a lot of things about it, like this place. This isn't where the gift shop used to be, and this used to have different pictures on the sides here of the hotel in classic mode. Cedar Point also has a partnership with the Peanuts characters, hence why you have Snoopy walking around the hallway right now. So we're gonna go straight back this way. Right here is the main check-in desk, and then this used to be a very giant pavilion. Still is, but Perkins Restaurant is right here. Tomo, which is a hibachi grill, is right over here. And we're actually going to go out this way real quick. But down over here to the left is an arcade and a TGI Fridays. I know, we're more or less shocked that a TGI Fridays still exists. On top of a Starbucks and the Surf Lounge, which does like burgers, chicken tenders, and lots of alcohol. So we're going to go out these doors directly in front of us here.
I'll be right back.
I know, I don't usually do this type of video. Thank you. And here we are on the beautiful outside of this, facing Lake Erie Beach, where they have fire pits and stuff like that going on. But then you've got the amazing Lake Erie shores. I know when you think of Ohio, beaches aren't the first thing you think of, but they've got cornhole going on, they've got giant Jenga tables, Connect 4, this weird beer pong thing with buckets going on. And then I just had a nice big old Long Island iced tea right over here at the Surf Shack. And over here is TGI Fridays, which you can kindly just kind of see right over in the distance. See the red and white right there? Yep, right there. And then inside, pool and hot tub right there. Just past that is another outdoor pool. And right over here is the kiddie pool, and just past that is another adult pool, alongside of the boardwalk having the entrance to Cedar Park, or Cedar Point, Cedar Park. Sorry, as I said, just out of Long Island. Cedar Point being right here, along with one of the giant drop towers alongside of the Wicked Twister directly behind it. And then this blue thing you can kind of see right here is the Gatekeeper, being one of their newest rides. So now we're gonna walk back inside now that you've seen that Ohio has beaches. I know, shocking to all of us, including those of us who lived in Ohio our entire life. You can kind of see me right here in the mirror. Oh my god, I have an Ohio shirt on too for Hot Chicken Takeover. There's the Surf Lounge. We have dinner reservations for Tomo tonight, but cool fact here too. So as I said, they expanded and added a bunch of stuff here. Right here in this giant opening, they used to actually have impromptu opera and barbershop quartet style musical stuff going on. So they used to hire people that would stay on and just randomly walk out during the season and do musical events. These are old, so these are actually from the original merry-go-round here, sorry, again. But they also have inside of the park a history museum based around the park. So there is more history-wise that we can actually talk about. Just so we are clear too, we have a little bit of a mayfly situation going on here in Ohio, but right out here is the kids pool. You can kind of see it. It's got a bunch of slides, it's got splash pads, it's got all the cool stuff that kids need. It's sort of like Brondo. It's what plants crave. I will be very impressed if any of you are able to get that reference. We're just gonna keep walking down this hallway for a hot minute. You got housekeeping here. Housekeeping? You want me to fluff your pillow? Pardon me, sorry. So as I said, I was gonna have to come in and see how everyone was. We all took showers and, well, now we're getting ready to go to dinner. So let me give you the tour of our hotel room and at least give you an idea of what kind of accommodation. So here's the door. The door right here is where you come in the room. Obviously, that's what a door does. Right here you got a safe, some spots for your suitcases and stuff like that, an iron and an ironing board. I guess people still iron clothing. Some other storage compartments, a dorm-sized fridge, microwave, some more storage shelves, the smallest bathroom you ever did see in your entire life. Don't get me wrong, it's a nice bathroom. It's just very small. It's very nice though. Then as we come in, we have 2 queen-size beds, which have these beautiful pictures of Ferris wheels on them. You excited? You make the goofiest faces, I swear. A little vanity or desk, I guess, whichever you choose to use it as. A television and a 3-drawer dresser, along with a beautiful view of a parking lot and the actual park itself.
And with a controlling fan.
So we're at day 2 of vacation here, and we did the Snoopy breakfast buffet with the characters, which is actually a lot nicer than I thought it was going to be. There's another buffet here that's a breakfast buffet, and it's meh, like very meh. This is actually pretty nice. See here, Anthony got a waffle. So they have a make your own waffle station, and they got all this stuff behind us with an omelet station and beverages, and Valerie's eating a very small amount. Leah's over here gobbling down some fruits that were meant to go on a waffle. Is it good?